Morning coffee at a cafe.
Good morning. What can I get you?
Hi, I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium is good.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Any sugar?
No, just the coffee.
That's $4.
Here's 5.
Here's your change. $1.
Keep it, thanks.
Thank you. Your coffee will be ready in 2 minutes.
Perfect. I'm not in a hurry.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every day.
Then you like our coffee?
Best in town.
Here you go. Careful, it's hot.
Thanks. Have a good one.
You too.
Checking in at a hostel.
Hello, welcome.
Hi, I have a booking.
What's your name?
Sarah Johnson.
Let me check. Yes, here you are.
Great.
You're in room 15, second floor.
Is there an elevator?
No, sorry, only stairs.
That's okay. I have light luggage.
Do you need a key or a card?
What do you recommend?
The card is easier.
I'll take the card then.
Breakfast starts at 7.
Where is it?
Downstairs in the main room.
Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes, the password is on this paper.
Perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Buying train tickets.
Next, please.
Hello. One ticket to Boston.
When are you travelling?
Today, this afternoon.
The next train is at 3 p.m.
What time does it arrive?
At 5:30 p.m.
Perfect. How much?
$35.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
So is there Wi-Fi on the train?
Yes, it's free.
Good. Which platform?
Platform 7.
Where is that?
Turn left, then straight ahead.
Thank you.
Here's your ticket. Have a nice trip.
Thanks.
At the grocery store.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Do you have a membership card?
No, I don't.
Would you like one? It's free.
Sure, why not?
I'll need your email.
It's sarah@email.com.
Perfect. Your total is $23.
Can I use this coupon?
Yes, now it's $20.
Great.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Insert it here.
Done.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please, just one.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
You too.
Lost in the city.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I'm looking for the museum.
Which museum?
The art museum.
Oh, that's far from here.
How far?
About 20 minutes by bus.
Which bus do I take?
Number 45.
Where's the bus stop?
See that corner over there?
This corner here?
No, the next one.
I see it now, thanks.
The museum is beautiful.
I heard that.
Are you visiting?
Yes, for 3 days.
Enjoy your time here.
Thank you so much.
Ordering food delivery.
Pizza place. How can I help?
I'd like to order a pizza.
What size?
Large, please.
What toppings?
Mushrooms and peppers.
Anything else?
A bottle of Coke.
Diet or regular?
Regular.
Your address?
42 Oak Street.
Apartment number?
5B.
Phone number?
5550123.
That'll be $18.
How long?
30 to 40 minutes.
Perfect.
Thank you for your order.
Thanks. Bye.
At the doctor's office.
Name, please.
Michael Brown.
You have an appointment at 2.
Yes, that's right.
Please sit down. The doctor will see you soon.
How long is the wait?
About 10 minutes.
Okay, thanks.
10 minutes later.
Michael Brown,
That's me.
follow me, please.
Sure.
How are you feeling today?
Not great. I have a sore throat.
Since when?
3 days now.
Any fever?
A little yesterday.
The doctor will check. Sit here.
Thank you.
Renting a bike.
Hi there.
Hello, can I rent a bike?
Sure, for how long?
Just 2 hours.
That's $10.
Do you need my ID?
Yes, and a deposit.
How much deposit?
$30.
You'll give it back?
Yes, when you return the bike.
Okay, here's my ID.
Thank you. Sign here.
What if I'm late?
It's $5 per extra hour.
Got it.
Here's your bike, number 12.
Does it have a lock?
Yes, in the basket.
Perfect. Thanks.
Have fun.
At the post office.
Next.
I need to send this package
Where to?
to Canada.
Let me weigh it. £3.
How much will it cost?
$22.
How long does it take?
5 to 7 business days.
Can it go faster?
Yes, but it costs $40.
No, regular is fine.
Do you want tracking?
Yes, please.
That's $2 extra.
Okay,
Total is $24.
here you go.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Where is the train station?
Not far. Walk straight.
How many blocks?
Maybe 5 blocks.
On this street?
Yes, then turn right.
Right at the light?
Yes, exactly.
Is it big?
Very big. You can't miss it.
How long to walk?
10 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.